How to create a new list on Mailchimp. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So basically lists in this Mailchimp platform is pretty much called audiences. So you would want to create new audiences for different reasons. Now in order to actually create different audiences or new lists, you actually are required to upgrade, and I will show you exactly what I mean. So if we just go to the pricing plans here and we just go to the comparison, what we want to look for is the audiences here. And you can actually see we have the free plan, essentials, standard, and then the premium. So from right to left. So if we just go to audiences, the essentials is going to give you 3 different audiences or lists that you can actually create. 5 for the standard, and then the premium is just going to be unlimited. If you're using the free version, you only have access to one list or one audiences, or one audience, to be exact. So if you're using the free version, you cannot really create a new one. Now, if you're on the free version and you're trying to create an audience, by default, it's going to also already be created for you. Now, if you want to create multiple, in that case, you will need to follow these steps. So here we can just go to audiences here and you will find audience dashboard. You can feel free to add your contacts and everything. But in order to actually create a new audience, because look, if we just click on add your contacts here, for example, one of the questions are actually going to be, let's just add some random information here, just so I can show you what I'm trying to say. .com. Hopefully that's enough. So yeah, it's actually going to ask us to which audience do you actually want to add this contact to. So by default, you should only have this one. Now, in order to create another one, we just want to exit out of here. And we want to go to the home section and we want to go to the search MailChimp option, because I really tried to go through the settings and find it this way, but I could not. So just go to the search MailChimp within the home page, search for audience, like so, and you should find from the search results, if you hit enter, view audiences, view and manage your MailChimp audiences. This should have been a lot easier to access, but I really tried in here and I couldn't really find it. So in this case, you just wanted to search for it and you'll be redirected to this page. And this page, you obviously would want to see the current audience that you have. And then we also have on the top right, create audience. Now, if you're on the free version, this should not be available to you. It's going to be grayed out and you can't do it. But if you can, just go ahead and click on that and you'll be able to just go ahead and create a audience for it. So it's obviously going to let you know that you can also use tags and segments if you want, which is going to be usable for you if you have the free version. But we just want to create a new one, so we can just go to audience details, audience name. We just go ahead and give it test in my case, and then here is going to be the from email. This is going to be pretty much the email that they will reply to if you did already send them something. So we can just go ahead and add that email in. I'm really just typing anything here at this point. And then here is going to be the name of the company. So just go ahead and add that. Again, I'm just going to go for test. And here you have more stuff here. So you would be able to remind people how they signed up. So just go ahead and add some text letting them know how you actually signed up to our service, or, you know, to our list. So again, I'm just going to add some random stuff. This is for you to fill out. And then we also have more stuff here to add, like the you know, the contact information and all of these things. And if you wanted to also enable double opt-in, it's completely up to you. And more stuff here down as well. So once you're done with this, you can just simply click on create audience. And I did not fill everything up within the contact information because this is all dummy stuff. So I'm just going to add 000. Hopefully this is going to work. And it did. And now we have 2 different audiences to use. So this is pretty much all you need to do to create a new list in MailChimp. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.